Hey there, Quiz Dino crew! You've just landed on Quiz Dino! Today's challenge is, how well do you know animals? We've lined up 60 fun questions, and you'll have 10 seconds to pick the right answer each time. Every correct answer earns you 1 point. But wait, we've got a huge shout out for everyone who joined in the fun in our last video! Thank you for being a part of the Dino Squad! Want your name featured in our next shout out? Leave a comment down below! Are you ready to prove that you're an animal expert? Hit that like button, subscribe for more fun quizzes, and let's get started! Here comes your first question. Which bird cannot fly? Penguin or hawk? The first point goes to you. The penguin trades flying for amazing swimming. A cat or a dog? Which animal is faster? The answer is dog. Who is famous for building dams? That's the beaver, nature's engineer. Which animal is best known for carrying nuts in its cheeks? The chipmunk is the cheek stuffing champion. Look closely. Can you spot the 3 changes between these 2 pictures? Boom! One's here, another there, and the last one right over here. Did you nail them all? Next up, whose bite is the strongest? Yeah, sharks have a much stronger bite than lions. Here's a cute one. Which animal sleeps while floating hand in hand? It's none other than the otter! Which one can spit farther, the llama or the camel? The llama, Olympic-level spitter. Which insect makes honey? The bee is the sweet answer. How many legs does a bee have? You got it! A bee has 6 legs. Think you've got a sharp memory? Take a good look at all the animals and remember where each one is. Watch closely. Where is the hamster now? That's right, the hamster is in position 2. Great memory! Which animal is famous for carrying heavy loads across the desert? Yes! Camels are built for desert adventures! Which animal does not have a stomach? Amazing! A platypus does not have a true stomach. Which bird is known for saying "whoo, whoo" at night? It's the owl! You got it! All owls are active only at night. True or false? It's false. Some owls hunt during the day, like the snowy owl. Stork or swan? Which bird is known for delivering babies in stories? Yahoo! The stork it is! Which one is the national symbol of the United States? The bald eagle, of course! Which one is the official USA mascot for the FIFA World Cup 2026? Great job! That's the real clutch! Which animal has the biggest teeth? Elephant or hippo? The hippo! Their teeth can grow over 50 centimeters. Who is famous for changing from a caterpillar? It's the butterfly. Which animal eats bamboo? That's the panda. Bamboo buffet all day. By the way, what is a koala's favorite food? It's C. Koalas eat eucalyptus leaves. Between a turtle and a snail, who has the heaviest shell? The turtle! Their hard, heavy shell outweighs any snail's. Who smells the air with its tongue? It's the snake. Which animal is famous for playing dead to escape danger? The opossum! Clever survival trick! The hidden animal is slowly coming into view. Can you guess it before the full picture is revealed? Nice job! It's kangaroo! Did you beat the clock? Which animal has the longest tail? The monkey or the kangaroo? It's the kangaroo! Their tails help them balance when jumping. Which animal can survive in very cold oceans? It's the seal! Thick fat keeps it warm. This one's gotta be easy for you. The bat it is! They rest while hanging upside down. Which animal is famous for howling at the moon? The wolf gets the point. Wolves cannot climb trees. True or false? That's true. Wolves cannot climb trees like cats or bears. Round 32 is here. Who is the better jumper? Kangaroo or rabbit? The kangaroo takes it. One hop can reach 3 times its height. Which animal can puff up into a spiky ball? Pufferfish is the correct answer. Which animal is a symbol of peace? The dove, of course! Look at these 3 emojis. What animal do they describe? Right on! Those clues lead to starfish. Here's a tricky one. Which animal is not really a fish? Correct! It's the starfish. Despite their name, it's not really a fish. Which animal can sleep while swimming in the ocean? The dolphin. Half of its brain stays awake to breathe. Which one is the largest land animal? The African elephant! Nothing on land is bigger. Which animal is the largest on Earth? Yes! Blue whales are the largest animals on Earth. Which animal has a long, sticky tongue for catching ants? The anteater, built for bug hunting. Who is the largest marsupial? The red kangaroo hops to victory. Which one is known for slithering without legs? The snake it is! Well done! Can you spot the snake that looks different from the others? Fantastic! You found it right away! Which animal has the longest lifespan? That's the giant tortoise! Some can live for more than 150 years! Which animal is the world's tallest flying bird? The Saru's crane takes the win! Which bird has the largest wingspan? The albatross! Those wings are built for endless soaring! Which mammal spends almost its entire life in the ocean? The whale! They never need to come onto land! Whales lay eggs. True or false? It's false. Whales give birth to live babies. Which animal can roll into a tight ball for protection? The armadillo! Great defense move! Which bird is best known for copying human speech? The parrot! Talk about a chatterbox! Can you get this one? Sperm whale is the correct answer. Can you put these puzzle pieces together and reveal the hidden animal? Nicely spotted! That's an octopus! What's your answer? Lobster is correct! Which insect glows in the dark? Firefly lights up the night. Which animal is famous for carrying logs with its huge antlers? It's the moose. Those antlers are enormous. Which reptile has a colorful neck frill? It's the frilled lizard. Which animal can regrow a lost arm? Wahoo! A starfish can! Which one is actually poisonous? The frog or the spider? The frog it is! Which animal is covered with thick armor like scales? The answer is the pangolin. And now it's time for the final question. Which animal can sniff out truffles? Spot on! It's the pig! Thank you for joining in today's challenge. If you had fun, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome quizzes. Your next challenge is waiting for you, so let's pick one and keep the fun rolling. See you next time!